Have a nice day, students. In this video we are going to study two topics, that is paragraph formatting and printing. To do paragraph formatting, you must select the content. First of all, here I inserted some text in this file, and I saved this file as activity1.odt, and here I am selecting my page content fully. So, I am using the shortcut Control A to select. Then I am changing the font size as 13 for all content. Then I prefer to get it bold, and again next. So, now we are going to format the paragraph. To format the paragraph, first of all you should select the paragraph. This short story is a heading. So, I am setting this as a heading, Control E for center, then Control B, Control U underline, and increasing the font size. In my previous video I have explained about the shortcut key to increase the font size using the keyboard. Then here, this is the first paragraph. I am selecting the first paragraph. Here, first of all, I would like to justify the paragraph. Justify means you know that what is justify. I created the video before. You can, in the left side you can see the text is aligned in one line, but in the right side it is in random fashion. It is not good to see. So, to get the right side text aligned just like the left side, we can do justify. So, Control J is the shortcut to justify. So, I justified the paragraph, and by keeping the selection as it is, you need to go through format menu, then paragraph. You will get a small window like this. Here you should select this one, Indents and Spacing. Here the indent spacing and line spacing, these are the three topics we are going to explain right now. The indent means the space between the margin and the character, that is what we mean with indent. The before text means the left side space, and the after text means the right side space. Okay, now it is touching the margin. Okay. So, if we want to give the before text indent, we can see the change by giving that. Now I set the before text as a 0.5 centimeter. Then I am clicking OK. Now, you can see the change when we click OK. Did you see that? That is before text indent. Okay. Then I am moving to the format, page format, paragraph format once again. Now, actually this is not relevant. So, I am changing it to 0.00. We do not need the space in between the paragraph and the margin. And similarly, we can check if it is working. After text means the right side spacing. So, I am changing it to 0.5 centimeter in the right side. Right side means after text. Now, you can see the text in the right side is changed to the shifted to the left side. We got a space in between the margin and the ending position of the paragraph, and I am taking the option once again by keeping the selection as it is. Okay. Then 0 is enough. The next one is the first line indent. First line in all the paragraph, in your textbook or any of the novels, you can see the first line of the paragraph is shifted to the right side. It's a kind of formatting. Okay. If you set it automatically, you can click here, automatically the first line indent will come. Otherwise, you can type the space in centimeter, first line space in centimeter. Suppose first of all we can check with the automatic. I am clicking here and then click OK. Now you can see the first line is changed, shifted to the right side. The first line only, now it will not affect all the other lines. Now we arrange the indent. Now this is the indents, and I am keeping the selection once again. To set the first line indent manually, you can take the format, paragraph, remove the tick mark from automatic, and you can type 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. Suppose I am typing 3 centimeter here, then click OK. Now you can see the line, first line indent changed to shifted to the right side with the 3 centimeter. So this is the indent option. Then next we are selecting the paragraph once again, then taking format menu, then paragraph. So I think it is better to choose the automatic. Then next is the spacing. Spacing means paragraph spacing, the vertical spacing. Above paragraph means the space in between the top area and the beginning of the paragraph, and below paragraph means the space in between the paragraph and the next content. So here you can see the difference. I am using this one. I am using 2 paragraph. I am using this as justified. Yes, actually we selected 2 paragraphs at the same time. We are going to format this paragraph, and we are going to provide the space in between the paragraph. So by selecting the paragraph, you should take this format menu, then paragraph. Here by default the above paragraph and below paragraph will be 0.00. Now I am giving above paragraph only. Here above paragraph as 0.10 centimeter, and I did not specify a value in the below paragraph option. So you can see, yes, you can see a small gap in between this paragraph and this paragraph, but there is a space in between this heading and the short story 2, and then first paragraph 2. The short story text the paragraph starting with a short story is a piece of prose fiction. There is a small space in between them. And also the second paragraph, there will be a space in between the second paragraph and first paragraph on the top area only, not in the below. So there is no space in between the third paragraph and the second paragraph. You can see that. But now, and for clear understanding, I can increase the size. Then only you will realize that very easily. I am changing the value from 1 to 5. Here this paragraph, here I am changing it to 0.4 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Now you can see there is a space in between the heading and the first paragraph, and at the same time the first paragraph and the second paragraph, and there is no space in between the second paragraph and third paragraph. You can see that there is no space, but we can increase the space. We can increase, we can provide the space in the below paragraph option. So I am taking the format option, paragraph. Here we were just left the below paragraph 0. So I am changing it to 0.5 centimeter. So now you can see there is a space in between second paragraph and third paragraph. Before it there was no space. Now, this space is 0.5 centimeter, and this space, the first paragraph, the space in between the first paragraph and second paragraph will be 1 centimeter, because the first paragraph will provide the space in the below area 0.5, and the second paragraph will provide the 0.5 centimeter in the above area. So, totally there will be 1 centimeter in between first paragraph and second paragraph, and the same thing will happen in the top area also. So, this is the paragraph spacing. Now, we studied the space between the paragraph. Now, next we are going to study the space in between the lines of a paragraph, in between the lines of a paragraph. By default, the space in between the lines of paragraph will be one line. But here we are going to change it. I selected the first paragraph only, then format paragraph. Here you can see the line spacing is a single. That is why I told you there will be a space in between the lines, consecutive lines will be one line. So, I am changing it to 1.5 lines. Now, you can see the change when I click OK. Did you see that? The space in between the lines of the first paragraph is different when comparing with the second paragraph. The second paragraph having the space in between the lines is one line, but in the first paragraph it is 1.5 line. So, this is the paragraph formatting option, the first topic. Then the second topic, we can change the background color of the paragraph. Suppose the foreground color of the character is of the page is black, that is why we got the black color for its text. Now, we selecting the paragraph, I selected the first paragraph. Now, we are going to change the background color of this paragraph. So, we need to move through format paragraph. Here you should select the area. Here, just like the page background, here we have different options, gradient, bitmap and patterns. There are different options, but here we are only need to change the background color. So, by selecting the color, you can select any one of the color. I prefer this light blue color or light green color, it is enough. Okay. Then click OK. Now, we change the background color of the paragraph, only that background color of that paragraph. Then there will not be any background color for the second paragraph. Only the selected paragraph will affect the background color. Then next we are going to draw the background, we are going to draw a border line for a paragraph. So, first of all, you should select the paragraph. Here I am selecting the paragraph. Then move through format paragraph, and here you can see the borders tab. In the borders tab, just like the page border, we should select the type of the border you prefer. Here I am preferring the second one, that is 4-side border. We should draw the border line in the 4 side of the paragraph. Then we can change if we need the line width. I prefer 1.5 pt, and I am changing the black color to red color. Okay. Then click OK. Now, we drew the bordered line for the paragraph, and also when we explained about the border line of the page, we were explained about the space in between the border line and the character. So, the same thing we can do here. So, I am selecting this paragraph and going through format paragraph. Here we can, by default it will be 0.5 and 0.50 centimeter left and right side. Then click OK. Now you can see the change. So, these are the settings to handle with the paragraph. So, the next one is how to print a page. To print the page, you will have a shortcut, that is Control P. When you click on Control P, you will get the printer in the general tab. There will be 4 tabs here. Here you should select this. By default, the selection will be general tab. Here you can select the printer. There is no printer in my computer, that is why it is pointing to generic printer. Actually, it is not a hardware, it's a software printer. So, when you install the printer of Canon or Epson or HP, any kind of printer you install, you can see that printer name here. Then you can select that printer like this, then click OK. Your hardware will print this soft copy. Then if you want to convert this same page into PDF format, you can move through from file menu, export as or export as PDF, the first one. Here you do not do anything, just leave it as it is, then click export button. You will get a navigation window. Here you can select the location actually you want to export, then click save button. You do not need to select the page format, it will create automatically. Actually, yes, we exported the file into PDF format. Okay. Now we are going to finish the topic. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.